Good afternoon. Thank you for the invitation to present our research. I work in Carlos III University and also in Hospital Gloria Marañón in Madrid. And I'm going to talk about our research lines on image-guided surgery. Our motivation is that we work in the hospital, so we have several users interested in, specifically with needs in intraoperative radiotherapy and liver surgery. I'm going to focus in intraoperative radiotherapy. That is a technique similar to, it's a special kind of radiotherapy that is applied during surgery in the tumor bed with an electron beam, as you can see here. And for several years, we have been working on this area. So currently, we have a system that allows you to do the treatment planning similar to the one that you can do in external radiotherapy, with a segmentation phase. Then you can simulate where you are going to place the applicator that is going to deliver the radiation. And finally, you can pre-plan or estimate the dose distribution in the patient. This has been recently published by our group. And now I'm going also to present some ideas on the new developments that are necessary to solve this problem in a better way than we are doing now, like intraoperative imaging, surgical navigation, or image registration. Our current results, this has been one research line for several years in collaboration with GMV company that has currently a system that is commercialized and patented and with CE and FDA clearance, and is being evaluated in several hospitals. So we have a big consortium working on this with several universities, hospitals, and several business companies. What do we want to do now and in the future? We are currently working on intraoperative imaging. Is something that you need during surgery. You need to update the patient information. So for that, we are proposing to use a C-arm. That is a device that you can use in any operating room and try to obtain projections, calibrate them, and obtain 3D reconstructions from the projections during surgery. We also want to know where the things are in the real scenario. So in this case, you can see that we are using a multi-camera optical tracking system that with infrared cameras is able to know where the applicator, where the patient, a phantom in this case, of course, is. And in this case, we are fusing the real-time information with the CT in order to be able to measure the accuracy of the system. We are also working with real patients in intraoperative imaging during the surgery. So we have acquired several patients intraoperatively. So during surgery under anesthesia, they are transported to the CT simulator in radiotherapy, and we obtain real images in which we can know the real dose that is going to be delivered to the patient. And with these images, we are also working on image registration. We want to combine preoperative image information with intraoperative and postoperative image information. This is our contact information, and thank you for your attention.